Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, April 26, 2024, and we're going up with Amazon.
Order filled.
We're looking for better than $1 run. H pattern, close enough moving average balance. H pattern, double bottom, double slingshot. H pattern, close enough moving average balance, slingshot. H pattern, close enough moving average balance, 555. Lightning to the upside. Sometimes when you're getting into these types of setups, because the spreads are a little bit larger, you want to let the market take off in your direction so they can tighten back up.
Order filled.
$920, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, April 26, 2024.
Order filled.
We're going to go down with the market. Playing a quick snapback play for $1. V pattern wide state, inverted H. V pattern wide state, inverted H. V pattern wide state, inverted H. V patterns are generally when the market makers push the price past where everybody's stops are, blows them out, and then they're running back down.
Order filled.
$730.